What's up, guys? It's Kyle bringing you guys another video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a logo for your YouTube channel. It's very easy and simple to do. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys are hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on any kind of content that I upload on the channel. And I'm going to be showing you guys in a later video how to make a YouTube channel banner for you guys' YouTube channel. If that is something that you want to see, all you gotta do is comment banner down in the comments below. It will allow me to know if you want to see it or not. And with that said, let's get right into the video. All right, looks pretty good to me. So once you are done making your logo or letters for your logo, all you gotta do is hit the memory card, save as image, PNG file. I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, there is another app that you have to use, and it's going to be called Infinite Painter. The links will be down in the description below for you guys to download. This is a step that I use every time I make my logos or make anything for my YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you guys how to use that app for the little bit of stuff that you need for the channel logo. So let's hop right over to that app over there. All right, we are on the Infinite Painter app. This app is pretty good. I've been using it for over 4 years now. So what you want to do when you get this app opened, you want to go over to the paper icon for layers. So you want to go up to the 3 dots, go to export, and you want to name it whatever you want. I'm going to go with 98. You want it as PNG, leave the background off, and then you want to go to export. It's saved. And when you save it to your phone, what you want to do is go over to your YouTube channel, and let's go straight over to that app, and I'll show you guys how to upload it. All right, once we get to your YouTube, what you want to do is click on your icon, click on channel, click on the pen icon, click on your photo where it shows the camera up at the top and your logo. Click on choose from your phone. Go to your channel image, and you want to resize it. That looks pretty good. Let's see if it fits. It just saved. If you learned anything in this video at all, make sure you guys are hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on any content that I upload on the channel. And that is how you guys use these apps in order to make the channel logo for your channel. And remember guys, I am going to be making a YouTube channel banner video that you guys can watch so you guys can know how to make one and upload one for your YouTube channel. So, and if you guys missed out on any other videos on the channel, make sure you guys click this next one. I'll see you guys later.